tools, tools, tools. Noun. Definition: a device or implement, especially one held in the hand, used to carry out a particular function. Example: gardening tools. Noun. Definition: a distinct design in the tooling of a book. Noun. Definition: a man's penis. Verb. Definition: impress a design on leather, especially a leather book cover. Example: volumes bound in green leather and tooled in gold. Verb. Definition: equip or be equipped with tools for industrial production. Example: the factory must be tooled to produce the models. Verb. Definition: drive or ride in a casual or leisurely manner.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.